Ever feel weighed down by damaged hair? You're not alone. Many of us face the daily struggle of dealing with hair that feels dry, brittle, and lifeless. It's a common issue that can affect our confidence and overall sense of well-being. Many people struggle with dryness, breakage, and split ends. These issues can be caused by a variety of factors, including overstyling, exposure to harsh weather conditions, and even the natural aging process. It's frustrating to see your hair lose its luster and vitality, but what if I told you the right haircut could be your secret weapon? Yes, a simple haircut can make a world of difference. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about giving your hair a fresh start and a new lease on life. It's true. A fresh cut can remove damaged ends, allowing your hair to grow healthier and stronger. By getting rid of those split ends and damaged sections, you pave the way for new, healthy growth. It's like hitting the reset button for your hair. Think of it like pruning a plant. Just as you would trim away the dead leaves and branches to encourage new growth, the same principle applies to your hair. It's a simple yet effective way to rejuvenate your locks. You trim away the dead parts to make way for new growth. This process not only helps in improving the appearance of your hair, but also its overall health. Healthier hair is more resilient, shinier, and easier to manage. The same principle applies to hair. By regularly trimming your hair, you can prevent further damage and keep it looking its best. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your hair's health and appearance. By removing the most damaged sections, you give your hair a chance to thrive. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice length or style. With the right haircut, you can maintain your desired look while promoting healthier hair. This doesn't necessarily mean going for a drastic pixie cut unless you want to. Short haircuts can be incredibly chic and easy to manage, but there are plenty of other options to consider. There are plenty of stylish haircuts that can help you manage damage while still rocking your desired length. From layered cuts to blunt ends, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore some options and find the perfect haircut that suits your style and hair needs. Embrace the change and enjoy the journey to healthier, more beautiful hair. Let's start with a classic, the pixie cut. This bold and edgy style is perfect for those ready for a fresh start. Why is it good for damaged hair? It eliminates length, which is often the most damaged part. A pixie cut allows you to chop off all the split ends and start fresh with healthy hair. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance and easy to style. Think of all the time you'll save. Don't be afraid to experiment with different variations of the pixie. You can go for a classic feminine look with longer layers on top or try a more edgy undercut style. The possibilities are endless. If you're not quite ready for a pixie but still want a significant chop, a bob is a fantastic option. This timeless haircut falls around chin length and can be customized to suit your face shape and hair type. Bobs are great for camouflaging damage because they create the illusion of thickness and fullness. By removing the weight of longer hair, bobs allow your natural texture to shine through. There are countless variations of the bob, from the classic blunt bob to the trendy asymmetrical bob. You can also add layers for more volume and movement or opt for a sleek and straight look. For those who prefer a bit more length, the long bob or lob is a perfect compromise. This style falls between the chin and shoulders, offering the best of both worlds, manageable length and the ability to disguise damage. Lobs are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways. You can wear it wavy or straight, tie it up in a ponytail, or create braids. The possibilities are endless. As your hair grows, you can gradually trim the ends to maintain the shape and prevent further damage. The lob is a great transitional haircut if you're trying to grow out your hair from a shorter style. If you're not ready for a dramatic chop, don't worry. You can still refresh your look and promote healthy hair growth with layers. Layers add dimension and movement to your hair while removing some of the weight and bulk. When getting layers, it's crucial to communicate with your stylist about your hair concerns. Let them know you want to maintain as much length as possible while still addressing the damage. A skilled stylist can strategically cut layers to blend away split ends and create a seamless look. This is especially beneficial for those with fine or thin hair, as layers can create the illusion of fullness. Choosing the right haircut is just the first step in your journey to healthy hair. To keep your hair healthy and strong, it's essential to follow a proper hair care routine. This involves more than just the products you use. It's about adopting a holistic approach to hair care. Here are some tips to keep in mind to ensure your hair remains vibrant and full of life. 1. Regular trims are key. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks helps to remove split ends and prevent further damage, which can travel up the hair shaft and cause more breakage. Even if you're growing your hair out, schedule trims every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and prevent further damage. 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Keeping your hair moisturized is crucial for maintaining its health and strength. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair hydrated, especially if you have dry or damaged hair. 3. Deep condition regularly. Deep conditioning treatments are essential for replenishing moisture and strengthening hair strands. Treat your hair to a deep conditioning treatment once a week to replenish moisture and strengthen hair strands. This can help repair damage and add a protective layer to your hair. 4. Be gentle with wet hair. Wet hair is more prone to breakage, so avoid brushing it when it's soaking wet. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a towel and use a wide-tooth comb to detangle. Wet hair is more prone to breakage, so avoid brushing it when it's soaking wet. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a towel and use a wide-tooth comb to detangle. This will help minimize breakage and keep your hair healthy. Use a wide-tooth comb to detangle gently. This will help minimize breakage and keep your hair healthy. Additionally, consider using a leave-in conditioner or detangling spray to make the process easier. By following these tips, you'll create an environment where your hair can thrive. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to your hair care routine and adjust it as needed based on your hair's needs. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, staying hydrated, and managing stress are all crucial factors in maintaining healthy hair. So, take care of your body, and your hair will thank you. There are countless myths surrounding hair care, and it's time to set the record straight. Many of these myths have been passed down through generations, often without any scientific backing. It's crucial to understand what truly benefits your hair and what might actually be causing more harm than good. Let's debunk some common misconceptions that have been misleading people for years. Myth: trimming your hair makes it grow faster. Fact: trimming your hair removes split ends, which prevents breakage and allows your hair to grow to its full potential. While it might seem like your hair is growing faster, it's actually just healthier and less prone to damage. It doesn't actually speed up hair growth. Hair growth is determined by genetics and overall health, not by how often you trim it. Myth: you should brush your hair 100 strokes a day. Fact: excessive brushing can lead to breakage, especially if you use a brush with harsh bristles. Brushing should be done gently, and only when necessary to detangle your hair. Overbrushing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Only brush your hair when necessary to detangle it. Using a wide-tooth comb or a brush with soft bristles can help minimize damage. Myth: split ends can be repaired. Fact: once a hair strand splits, it's irreversible. No product can truly mend split ends. They can only temporarily seal them. The only way to get rid of split ends is to trim them off. Regular trims can help maintain the health and appearance of your hair by removing damaged ends before they can cause further breakage. By understanding the truth about hair care, you can make informed decisions that benefit your hair's health. Educating yourself on what works and what doesn't can save you time, money, and frustration. Remember, healthy hair starts with proper care, and debunking these common myths is the first step towards achieving the luscious locks you desire. Not all hair products are created equal. Just like you wouldn't use a face cream meant for oily skin on dry skin, it's crucial to choose hair products formulated for your specific hair type. If you have fine hair, opt for lightweight products that won't weigh down your strands. Look for volumizing shampoos and conditioners. For curly or coily hair, choose products designed to enhance and define your curls. Look for moisturizing shampoos and conditioners that contain natural oils and butters. If you have color-treated hair, invest in color-safe shampoos and conditioners that will protect your hair from fading and damage. By using the right products, you can enhance your hair's natural beauty and keep it looking its best. Remember, achieving healthy hair is a journey, not a destination. There will be good hair days and bad hair days. The key is to be patient with yourself and your hair. Focus on making gradual changes to your hair care routine and embrace the process. As you see your hair becoming healthier and stronger, you'll also notice a boost in your confidence. Healthy hair is a reflection of a healthy lifestyle. So, in addition to taking care of your hair externally, remember to nourish your body from the inside out with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. Choosing the right haircut for damaged hair is an empowering step towards achieving your hair goals. By understanding your hair type, consulting with a stylist, and following a proper hair care routine, you can transform your hair from the inside out. Remember, healthy hair is beautiful hair. Embrace the journey and enjoy the confidence that comes with having a head full of luscious, vibrant locks.